If you move to the side of the line, then you see. अबे चलना नहीं है तो
अच्छा
आप खड़ा जा.
सॉरी
Hi everyone, we are the No Disability team and we are back with yet another tutorial on how to shoot leading lines. This time we are going to shoot portraits. With me I have my student Bharat. Bharat, say hi.
Hi.
So Bharat is there with me and we have Sunny, who's a brilliant tattoo artist and a friend and who's going to be modeling for us for this shot. And you can follow him on Facebook and Instagram. He goes by the name Artista Sunny, ARTISTA_SUNNY. And if any of the parents or kids want to get tattoos, he's the person to get in touch with, or even sketches and paintings. He does a lot of work, super talented guy, but we pulled him for this video today. So let's shoot leading lines once again. Before that, any of the parents who are following us, who are trying out shots, if you are not able to do something, if you're facing problems, tell us in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you out. And if you want any other way of helping us out, you can always reach out to us through the comments, or you can drop in an email on knowdisability@gmail.com, KNOW disability@gmail.com. And yeah, let's begin. So let's begin shooting leading lines with portraits. You've already seen the tutorials on how to do leading lines. We've done them earlier. This time we are going to do portraits. It will take some time. You might not get it the first time, but understand this. The 3 P's, patience, persistence and practice. इसके बिना किसी का काम नहीं चला आज तक. That is what you need to do. So be patient, keep practicing and be persistent, be regular with it. So that is all that you need to do. And the parents, हिम्मत नहीं हारनी यार हमने. We need to do this together. The world might call them superhuman and silence and this and that. But we know they can do a lot more. So let's do that, right? So let's go shoot, Bharat. Chalo, let's go. So the very first thing you need to remember when you're shooting leading lines is that you should not be in the middle of the line. You should not be facing the line. Samne se, it should be from the side. And when you turn to the side, you will see that the angle changes. There's a depth to the picture. There's a depth to the video. And that will add a nice effect on what you're shooting. So always be to the side of the line. So as we said, you have to be on one side of the line. So Bharat is shooting Sunny. Sunny, you can pose. And Bharat, we will shoot. Shoot. Yes. So we are on one side of the line. हम लाइन के बीच में नहीं है, एक तरफ है. हम थोड़ा सा और साइड को भी मूव कर सकते हैं. Yeah. So we are on one side of the line. Bharat, shoot. Yes. Okay, one more. Yes. Shoot, Bharat. Yes. थोड़ा सा और इधर हो जाते हैं. Yes, sir. Shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Very nice. Very nice. So while we are doing this, let's move to the next location, which is this stairs. Very nice yellow looking stairs, and Sunny is all happy there. So you can search for lines like these. You can find stairs, places around you which are very colorful, and those bring out a very nice contrast. You keep the phone in a position that you can see your model, you can see the lines going up, and you shoot. Change the pose and shoot some more. Just ensure that your hand is stable when you're doing this. And then you find more lines. You can find lines around you which could be a shop. जाली होती है जैसे दुकानों के बाहर. There are places like these where there are a lot of lines. You can sit down and you can shoot the lines. Remember to be on one side of the line when you're shooting that. And keep your phone stable. If you have to bend down, you bend down like Bharat is bending down right now when we're shooting. Yes. So when you bend down, you are at the same level of your model and you can get great pictures. So this was us at nodisability.org talking about how to shoot portraits using leading lines. Bharat, you did a fabulous job. Thank you. And Sunny, thank you for joining us, brother. So guys, don't forget to follow Artista Sunny, ARTISTA_Sunny on Facebook and Instagram. And all the parents, please don't stop believing in your kids. We need to give them what they are capable of. We need to give them that opportunity. हम opportunity नहीं देंगे तो वो कभी कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. So that opportunity, creating it is our job and we are doing it. So please shoot. Please tell me what you think about the pictures that you're shooting. Share them with me on the Node Disability email. The email ID is knownodisability@gmail.com. You can mail me the pictures. I'll give feedback. Drop in a comment. Tell me what is the concern you're having and I'll reply to that. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. The more subscribers we have, it is not about the numbers, it is about us knowing that this is the number of families that we are reaching out to, this is the number of parents that we're reaching out to. And together, let's make it happen. Let's remove those labels, let's show the world that the superhumans are actually superhuman and they can do a lot more than we think they can. Thank you all. Signing off, No Disability team. Cheers. Say bye, Bharat. Bye, goodbye, bye-bye. Thank you.